hivyo. Na mnajua vile mimi naongeaga. Kendo kiongea opposite.
Jagoro mochung'ne kuonde tiego tije lwedo Esther Muoria dwaro mondo mi jopuonjre duto e Kenya mangima mondo bed kod tim makare ka gidhi nyime kod somo magi. Koloso e limbe mare ka tiegruok ma Belgut e kaunti ma Kericho, Muoria nowacho ni timbe makare kind jopuonjre ema biro nyago olemo e kind oganda. Ojiwogi mondo mi kik giriwre time moko ma ok ni kare kanyakla kod thegore gi tiyo gi yedhe mamero ji. Magi owacho bang' nyiri 16 mag sikund utumishi lalo ngimagi e masich mach michich ni nokel kod jopuonjre mamoko.
We are not training you to just hang around here. It is okay to hang around here, but we want to train you at international levels. So, my dear people, whether you are a trainer or a trainee, do your best. Discipline is everything. Sasawa. Discipline is everything. When you see what your younger brothers and sisters are doing, it is all a factor of indiscipline. And I will say that myself, anywhere, anytime. Because those children have been sleeping in that dormitory for years, isn't it? Yes. It is not about the number that have been admitted to the institution. It is not about whether the windows were opening outside or inside. It is about a decision by some young people to actually set up a fire, isn't it? Yes. Some people, hiyo moto haikukuja kwa sababu ati sijui nini. It is a decision that some young people made. Nobody wants to be associated with that kind of thing. Nobody. But when you land here in Belgut, you are disciplined. Well, if there is any issue, you discuss with your trainers and whatever. Then, and let me tell you, whatever you are doing here, it is not just known in this village here. It is not, and it is not known in this Kenya here. It is known internationally. Everybody now in the world knows what happened in Gilgit.